How does it sound when you have hearing loss? Levels of hearing loss vary widely, ranging from nearly deaf to mild hearing loss of only certain frequencies. Most people tend to have hearing loss of higher frequencies, but there are many other types as well. When you have hearing loss of only certain frequencies, it's harder to detect yourself because the frequencies unaffected appear pure and clear. This might lead you to the impression your hearing is completely normal. Sounds have different frequencies. For example, the sound of a child's voice has a higher frequency than the sound of a man's voice. This explains why hearing impairment is experienced quite differently, because specific frequencies may seem muted depending on the degree of hearing impairment. A person with a hearing loss of higher frequencies will interpret a piece of music in a different way to a person with hearing loss of medium frequencies. Let's try and illustrate. This is how music sounds to a person with mild high-frequency hearing loss. This is how it sounds to a person with a moderate high-frequency hearing loss. This is how a conversation in a crowded place sounds to a person with mild high-frequency hearing loss.
Works fine. We just landed a big new client.
Anyway, it's great that we could meet for coffee.
Yeah, it's been easy.
This is how it sounds to a person with a moderate high-frequency hearing loss.
Anyway, it's great that we could meet for coffee.
Yeah, it's been easy.
If you have normal hearing, you'll now have an idea of how the world sounds from the perspective of a hearing-impaired person. However, if you have hearing loss already, your listening experience will be distorted by your specific hearing loss. Don't miss out on the great sounds of life. If you want to know more, try our free online hearing test here. Get a free hearing guide. Listen to what it meant to Marilyn to take action on her hearing loss. Try our free online hearing test.